Hello and welcome back to my channel. Let's get to the topic of the day, bridal. I'm pretty sure we all know something about bridal, whether it was our own wedding, whether we participate in a wedding, or whether we help someone planning the wedding. It is very stressful, but beside of stressful, it's very expensive. Dress alone, it's a huge question mark for me. But let's not forget accessories. But today we're going to work on a dress. I just want to show you how easy it is to make a sheath dress. And I'm going to try to make a combo of jersey and lace. Let's figure out what we can create with these two fabrics. How easy it is for you to find someone that is going to sew, as long as you provide the right guidance. You give her a wish list with what you would like to have include as a feature on your wedding dress. Communicate with your seamstress, give her a mood board, give her a couple of ideas, give her the guidance. Let her know how you would like to look for the day. Go and visit her as often as you can, just so you can see the progress and so you have time enough to correct any mistakes rather than let her keep going for a very long time. Go to as many fittings as you can. I think your local seamstress could be the key for you to save a huge amount of money and have something that fits you like a glove. Let her know what you want. She's going to advise you what fabrics you need to purchase. Consult her every single step of the way. Even more, if you are brave enough, start early, buy a pattern, start creating for yourself, and I'm pretty sure you're going to come up with something that you're going to love to wear and you're going to be very proud. Building memories and keeping that for the rest of your life, it's important. So that's why I want to give you more choices. Yes, indeed, I recommend for you to go over to a boutique. I recommend you to buy the dress of your dreams if you can afford. But if you can afford, either go and find a seamstress and let her work her magic, or you can make it yourself. You need a measuring tape, you need a lot of pins, you need a good pair of scissors, and then you need your fabric. This one, it's an actual jersey. You can buy this on Amazon for like $3.99 or $4.99. As you can see, it's very stretchy, so it gives you a lot of comfort. Is not really hard to work with. So going on Amazon and give it a chance. I'm going to put a link in the description below for you to see a couple of ideas of fabrics and ideas of where you can purchase your fabrics and what fabric you would need. So the first choice for me today is going to be this jersey, and most likely my skirt is going to be created out of this. And for bodice we have this lace. I think is going to look very feminine and very beautiful. These are my fabric choices. I think it's going to look beautiful. Let's get to work. I actually started this dress with a different idea in my head, and now I turn to do cups, mainly because I personally haven't done that many cups before, and I just wanted to challenge myself a little bit today, just because this is a dress for no one other than for myself. Of course, I'm not gonna get married anytime soon, but I just wanted to create this dress and see how this cup is going to go. I used to be very intimidated by cups before. So in order for me not to be intimidated anymore, I had to look this fear in the face. And so I got one of my corset tops and I deconstructed the bodice, I deconstructed the cups, and I recreated a couple of more times. I got more comfortable as I went ahead and created more projects with this. However, I went on and ordered this on Amazon. I will put the link in the description below if you're interested to purchase. And so if you're intimidated by the cup in any kind, please don't hesitate to deconstruct something that you don't think you wear anymore, as I did, or purchase one of these.
Running wild.
If you decide to go ahead and create a cup for your dress and give a sweetheart neckline with a corset top, you can purchase this foam from Amazon. I'm going to put a link below in the description for you to find a convenient source if you are interested to purchase. It's really not expensive and it's really worth it. Hey, welcome to day 2. Let's see where my progress is. Let's see where I'm going with this. Today we're going to wrap this baby up. I have to finish this just because I do not have any more time available to work. However, it's never good to rush making something like this. I'm only allowing 2 days to finish up this project, mainly because I'm so backed up with all my work. I have clients' work, I have to go to work, and I have some other projects for myself. On top of everything, I have a large family and I have some friends coming over for the weekend. So obviously things are piling up and I need to get this baby done before it's going to make everything crumble for me. But it's really not that much left. Check it out. This is what I've achieved with yesterday. I finished up the bodice. As you can see, I created a bust cup and I was a little bit overachieving. I created a double D bust cup and I'm only a full C to a D. So I will have to try to adjust this or work with what I have. Second, I have to attach a spaghetti strap because of the back of the dress is so low. I'll have problems having the bodice stick to me because I will not do boning. It's an extra step that I do not have time for. So my number 3 would be to close the seams for the skirt, wrap up the dress with the skirt with the hem, attach the bodice to the skirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish all those tasks and see what else this dress needs. Just to make it a little bit more convenient to you, everything you see here that I used, I'm going to put a link in the description below. So I make it a little bit more convenient for you to figure out whether you wanna do this or whether it's going to be worth it for you to do. I would say before you go ahead and plan your wedding day, before you go ahead and assign a budget to that, give it a go and see what other options have. I have seen brides through my entire career spending way up to $5,000-$6,000, and remember, on top of that you're going to have a solid amount of money to put towards your alteration. To begin with, just the hem alone could be anywhere between $250 to $500, especially if you have a border down to the hem and it has to be removed so you can shorten the dress, and the list can go on and on and on. So give it a try. I'm not here to tell you that you should just go and do a handmade and do not go to a boutique. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is there's other options out there if you don't have the money to spend and if you just want to be a little bit more frugal like I am. Let's see how we can finish this baby up. So there you go. This is the dress. 2 days of work. Imagine if I would have extra days to work on every single little detail, if I would have had time to add some embellishment, to create a different type of strap, to add extra details on my waist seam. But I really didn't have time. I had to abandon this dress and move on with my life. But the bottom line is, anyone can achieve this, your seamstress can work on this, and to be honest with you, the overall expense for me probably was, I would say, about $25. And we are talking here about the lace, we're talking about the jersey, the bias tape, and the lining as well, along with the horsehair braid and the boning. You probably think about somewhere about $25. I'm going to put a link below in the description just for you to have an idea of where you can get these products and the actual price of everything I have used in here. So I think $25 is really not that bad, right? Considering that you can spend for a wedding dress, even as simple as this one, more of a minimalistic design, you can probably spend even over $1,200 to $1,400 to $1,800. And remember, the final alteration and the final changes, that dress is going to add at least about $200 to $300, if not even more. So things can go very expensive. And if you're on a budget and if you are as frugal as I am and you cannot justify certain costs, I think you can build some beautiful memories on your wedding day with spending a lot less and not compromising on your look. So give it a go. Things are incredible easy. You just have to put your imagination to work, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna come up with some amazing result. I'm very proud of this dress. If I would have to get married tomorrow, I would wear it. I do not want you to change your mind. I do not want you not to go to buy a dress at the boutique if that's what you wish to do. The designer dress are beautiful, but in my opinion, some of them could be so expensive. The life is getting so much harder these days. Everything is so expensive. So if you can save some money with your look, why not try? Anyway, thank you very much for watching today. If you are in the middle of planning for your wedding, good luck to you. Enjoy the process and make the most of it, because these are some amazing, unique memories you're going to create. And if you are having any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out, leave a comment below, and I will answer to you as quick as I can. This is it for today. This is the wedding dress I created in only 2 days. Obviously, I could work a lot more on it. I could touch up a couple of other things. Unfortunately, I don't have time. But what I wanted to prove to you is that anyone can make a wedding dress in a couple of days and still look amazing and spend under $25. Give it a go and see how you go. If you don't like it, move on and find another solution. Take care. Bye. I'm gonna show you I will show you the progress. If you have any comments, money to put towards your alteration. So give it a try.